What's up, team? It's Tiara B, naturally, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my moisture routine for my mini twists. I just put these impromptu mini twists in just like a day or two ago, and already they were starting to become dry. I said, no, we're not doing that. So I created my own mixture, and I'm going to share it with you today. Inside my Mr. bottle, I have included water, Jamaican black castor oil, some grease. Yes, I said grease. Just a little bit of grease though, and some Hair Growth Co. leave-in conditioner. And I shook them all up and mixed it together because I'm tired of buying leave-in sprays and then they run out and then I gotta buy some more. So I'm just gonna be making my own from now on. I do like the consistency of it. It definitely still sprays on out, so it's thin enough. But basically what I'm gonna be doing every day or every other day is just tilting my head to the side and just literally spraying all my twists, especially the ends. And the edges too, like that. And kind of grab the ends and give them a good spray and squeeze it in. Good spray, squeeze it in. Our hair is like a sponge, so we need to get all the moisture on the inside and repeat when necessary, okay? So now that my hair feels moisturized, it's got some movement, what I'm gonna do is follow up with the next step, which is actually taking a little bit of the Blue Magic grease and sealing my ends. So this is the one I'm using. We're going back to the basics because I'm tired of my hair breaking. I'm tired of not retaining length. If you with me, hit the thumbs up, okay? So anyway, I'm going to take some of this. This is the one that has a super sure grow. It's got shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. That sounds good to me. So I'm just going to literally take some like that. Really don't take that much because look. And I'm going to intentionally go and just touch every end of my hair. That way we can go ahead and lock in the moisture that we just put in. Add some benefits, of course. So now it's looking even better. I'm trying to avoid putting anything directly on my scalp, but everything that's out of my scalp, I want it to be moisturized. So we can go in, use our hands to just kind of make sure. I have also been doing scientific brushing, so you can take that brush, work the product in, especially if you're struggling with your edges like I was. But my edges are doing so much better now since I started doing scientific brushing. So anyway, that's that. Let me show y'all real quick. Like, yes. Anyway, but yeah, use your brush. And we're not worried about these twists getting frizzy at all. These are literally put in for the sake of allowing my scalp to be accessible for my scalp massages, as well as me being able to make sure that my ends are moisturized. Usually I like to do cornrows, which is great, but I can't guarantee that my ends are being moisturized because they're flat to my head inside of the braid. So this way I know that my ends are being moisturized. And then final step is taking a little bit of the black castor oil on the tip of my fingers and going through each one again, just like we did really quickly with the grease. Now we are like super sealed, okay? It's like a super moisturizing routine throughout the week, like a midweek, daily or every other day routine that you can do to make sure that your twist, your protective style is nice and hydrated between wash days. So, and it adds shine. And no matter how old these get, they'll still look cute because they are moisturized. And it's just going to get better and better as the week goes. So, yeah. And the shrinkage is real, per usual. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you're doing throughout the week to keep your hair moisturized. Help the girls out in the comments because we're trying to figure it out, okay? Look, I'm Tiara B, and I am out. Blessings.